Adding images to your game will give it an awesome feel and help you to stand out from the rest of the games. So this is the code, and now we'll start off from a new file. First of all, we'll import pygame and then initialize it using pygame.init. Afterwards, we'll say display is equal to pygame dot display dot set mode. Then give the width and the height of the display. I like keeping it at 600 and 500. Then we'll make a variable for our while loop. I will call it running and keep it to true. Then I will say while running, and then for event in pygame dot event dot get, and then I'll say if event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit. Then we'll set running to false. What that will do is we'll exit the loop and then we will do pygame.quit and then quit the rest of the code using quit. Okay, so let's see if this is working. If I run this, as you can see, we see a display, and if I click exit, it stops the code. Very good. Now we'll have to import our image. So for that we have to name the variable. I will call it image. Then I will say image equal to pygame.image.load. Then within brackets I will write the file name, which in my case is python logo.png. Now inside the while loop, I have to display this image. So I will say display.blit. What is display? Display is the variable which has pygame.display.set mode in it. Then I will say display.blit, and within brackets I will write the name of the image variable, which is just image in my case. And afterwards I will put more brackets and write the coordinates. In my case it is 5 and 10. Now if I run this, we don't see any image. So why is that? Well, that's because we never updated the display after showing the image. So I will do it at the end of the while loop. I will say pygame.display.update, and now it should work. If I run this, as you can see, we see an image on the display. Very cool. Now using these coordinates you can change them however you want to based on the events too. So I can make a really fun game using images. And if I change this to 2, it will bring it little more to the left. The first one is X and the next one is Y. Okay guys, so this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.